Progress notes are also known as case notes or support logs. Progress notes are what you use to keep track of your billable hours and other services delivered to the participants. There are 3 ways to create progress notes in Comm.care, so I'll start with the most preferred approach, which is from My Calendar. This is the most preferred approach because scheduled appointments provide an efficient link to the claims process with their embedded red and green flagged progress notes. It is important to note that where an appointment has been created, you must complete the progress note via the relevant appointment tab to make use of the flag system. This is the way that support workers would likely access a progress note, as it will also have been set up with the correct pre-populated fields when the appointment was created, and thus reducing the chance of errors. So here's how you can create a progress note with an appointment. Once you are inside My Calendar, you can see all the appointments and can see a little red page which is for ease of access to your progress note. When you click that, it will allow you to document the detail of the service you provided along with the correct service, line item, and travel time. If it is red, it indicates that the progress note has not been entered. So let's start this by creating one. I'll click on the red progress note and it will pre-populate all the details from the appointment. You can start entering the details in the document text area, and you can also attach files at the bottom. The status bar on the top allows you to select from the drop-down if the care was provided, a no-show, or a cancelled appointment. The time and date is for the occurrence of the service. Related service, quantity, and unit price are populated from the roadmap and much pretty populated from the appointment created. The attendees is also a drop-down list from which you can select who the attendee was. And the other fields are depending on the service type, whether it is NDIS or DSL. Comm.care will show you their related fields. In case of cancellation, selected or no-show for 100% cancellation fees, or cancel in case of any advance cancelled appointments. Once done, you can click on Save Changes. And now the progress note has been created. You can now see that the page has turned to green. That means the progress note has been created. If you have completed a progress note, the related service fees will be included in the claims process. So that's it. This is how you can create a progress note with an appointment. Thanks for watching.